Guys, I'm going to show you how to make my protein bowl cake. Now this recipe takes 2 minutes, just protein, and it tastes awesome. So let's go. We need a bowl, preferably quite deep because it's going to rise. It is a cake. On top of the scales, we need protein powder. Any protein powder should be fine, but certain protein powders mix differently, so you just have to be careful how much almond milk you use when we get to that part. So we're going to be using 30 grams. Don't get it everywhere. Oh, double scooper. What's that doing in there? Get in there. A little bit more to get 30 grams of whey protein. Then set the scale to 0. We need 2 grams of baking powder. This is going to help the bowl cake rise. Baking powder. Set the scale to 0. Set it to millilitres, and we're going to use, I'm going to use for this one 70 millilitres of almond milk. of almond milk, and I'll give this a mix. Right, give this a real good mix. Make sure that consistency is quite thick. Now, like I said, if your protein, don't get it everywhere. You don't want to waste protein. Your protein powder may be different to mine, so you may need to add a little more almond milk or a little less almond milk. Give it a good mix. The little one is making noise in the background because this protein cake is for her. She's hungry. Right, this is the consistency. Make sure that's flat in there. My fingers are clean, don't worry. She wants attention. Chuck that in the stick. Right, stick it in the microwave for 1 minute. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, that'll do. About around 60 seconds. And there we have the bowl cake. So let me put this out on a plate just to show you what it looks like, even though you should be eating it in a bowl. There we go. Bowl cake. Protein bowl cake. Taste test. Good. Good, guys, give it a try. This is great, and it's just protein. See you later.